Hey there, welcome back to our equity fund series. Today we are exploring two exciting types of funds, multi-cap, flexi cap mutual funds. Let's use a fun analogy, transportation. Whether you're commuting, running errands or on a road trip, these funds are like different modes of transport that help you reach your financial destination. Let's get started. Multi-cap funds, all-terrain vehicles of investments. Think of multi-cap funds as an all-terrain vehicle. Just like an ATV can tackle both rugged terrains and smooth roads, multi-cap funds invest in large cap, mid cap and small cap stocks as per market capitalization. This allows them to adjust to any market conditions, aiming to maintain balance between potential growth and relative stability. If you want a fund that can handle different market phases, anything the market throws its way, multi-cap funds can be a suitable choice. Next, flexi cap funds are like your adaptable car, versatile and flexible. Whether you're driving through city streets or hitting the highway, your car adapts to the road. Similarly, flexi cap funds invest in a mix of large cap, mid cap and small cap stocks with the flexibility to shift the allocation based on market conditions. When large cap stocks tend to perform well, they lean that way. When small cap stocks may rise, they pivot. Just like shifting gears for a smooth ride. Flexi cap funds aim to adjust to keep your investment journey on track. The optimal ride for you. Whether you prefer the versatility of an all-terrain vehicle, the flexibility of a trusted car, there's a fund that might align with your goals and risk tolerance. Choose the investment vehicle that suits you best and make your financial journey smoother. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more insights. Until next time, stay healthy and keep learning. See you soon.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.